The second spark plug is removed. And right now it's time to install the compression test kit into the second cylinder. Right, checking cylinder number 2, Okay, good. Compression is good, 140 psi in the second cylinder. Install the second spark plug back on and remove the source spark plug. Source spark plug is removed. It's time to reset the compression test kit by pressing on this button and install it to the source spark plug and test the compression there. Alright, checking compression in the third cylinder. Okay, good enough, which is not that bad, almost 140. Cylinder number 3 is not that good like the first one and the second one. Compression there is less than 140, it's not 10, it's close like to 130, not 140. It's still in operational condition, but not that good. Let's check the compression in cylinder number 4.